The race is on, and it's neck and neck between Ackera Nugent, Megan Tapper, Oneka Wilson, Brittany Anderson as the Jamaican National Championship's women's 100-meter hurdles heats up. With Jamaica's rich legacy in the event, boasting Olympic and World Championship medalists like Brigitte Foster-Hylton, Danielle Williams, and Megan Tapper, the 2025 season promises fierce competition for the coveted spots on the Tokyo World Championship team. The stakes are higher than ever, with Ackera Nugent's stunning Jamaican national record and top performances from athletes pushing the limits of the 13-second barrier. Who will rise to the challenge and secure a spot in one of the world's toughest events? Let's find out. The women's 100-meter hurdles are improving in Jamaica, and the 2025 track and field season promises to be no different. The island has produced some of the best athletes in the event since Michelle Freeman's bronze medal effort at the 1997 Athens World Championship for Jamaica. Athletes like Brigitte Foster-Hylton, Danielle Williams, and Delloreen Ennis earned World Championship medals in the event. Brigitte Foster-Hylton boasts 1 gold, 1 silver, and 1 bronze, while Danielle Williams has 2 golds and 1 bronze. Delloreen Ennis, meanwhile, has secured 2 bronze medals and 1 silver. Even though the island was doing so well in the 100-meter hurdles at the World Championship level, it was not until the 2020 Tokyo Olympics that the sprinting capital of the world earned an Olympic medal, as Megan Tapper earned bronze. With athletes such as Danielle Williams, Megan Tapper, and Ackera Nugent doing so well internationally, it has forced their countrywomen to step up their game and consistently run below the 13-second barrier in the event. During the 2024 season, 18 Jamaican women broke that barrier. Despite Jamaica not winning a medal from the Paris Olympics, Ackera Nugent ended the season as the fastest woman in the 100-meter hurdles with her Jamaican national record of 12.24 seconds at the Rome Diamond League. Now, the 2025 season promises to be extensive, and Jamaica is in a good position to send 4 representatives to the Tokyo World Championship instead of the usual 3. This is because Danielle Williams has a wild card. After all, she won the 100-meter hurdles at the 2023 Budapest World Championship. This will still make it hard for the Jamaican team to make it because of the quality of the athletes competing in the event. Megan Tapper has made the Jamaican team every season since the 2017 London World Championship, but the 2024 season saw her missing the Jamaican team for the Paris Olympics. Oneka Wilson ran a personal best of 12.70 seconds to finish 5th at the Olympic trials. Brittany Anderson is still returning from injury, and Janeek Brown had a resurgence in 2024 by making her first Jamaican team since 2019. Ackera Nugent has been on a high since earning her bronze medal in the 60-meter hurdles at this year's Nanjing World Indoor Championship. The women's 100-meter hurdles at the Jamaican National Championship should be an epic battle, as 8 women will compete for 3 spots to make the team to the Tokyo World Championship. As the 2025 season unfolds, the women's 100-meter hurdles season is shaping up to be fierce, with incredible performances from Ackera Nugent, Megan Tapper, and others. Jamaica's legacy in the event is stronger than ever, and the best is yet to come. Who do you think will make the cut for the Jamaican women's 100-meter hurdles team at the 2025 World Championships? Will Ackera Nugent continue her dominance, or will Megan Tapper make a comeback? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, check out our video on how Jamaica is set to dominate women's 4x100 meter in Tokyo. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.